How to connect your Reddit account with your Twitter. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to connect your Reddit account with your Twitter in less than 1 minute. Easy and fast. All what you have to do, go to reddit.com and log into your account, and now go to the top corner right here and click on your name. Now go down and choose user settings right here, click on this option and it will take you to this page. Now all what you have to do is go down again until you find the connect to Twitter here and click on it, and it will take you directly to the Twitter. Now you need to write your username on Twitter and your password and click authorize app. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.